The teaching at that in the institute that I studied, SILAH, we didn't have any books, any of the books.
Yeah.
I have seen many institutes, even Jauharabad, we have prospered a lot in terms of that institute.
True.
There are many institutes, even in the road in front of us.
Yeah.
There is a big board of preparation of IELTS exam, study in
true.
UK and such kind of things.
True.
None of the institute is giving study on conceptual basis. Each and everyone has there is certain fee of that test exam preparation, and there's another fee that you have to pay for the notes.
Yeah.
You would give a bundle of notes there.
Yeah.
And
true.
I must say that if I have studied just little of them.
Yeah.
And that is also on the internet. I have searched by myself. I've came here. Even my concepts are clear, and I must say that even a better human being. Most important thing. There's nothing to say about the face, but
do pray for all of us.
Sure,
please.
Sure. God bless you, sir.
So you mean to say that role of dearest V or C, he just started his talk with a point, which a phrase or which a term that was initial studies. What do you mean by that, initial studies or initial level, no, as far as language is concerned?
Sir, I must say that I had few of basics cleared from the very first of my schools.
Yeah.
Even my batchmates that were my class fellows, they don't have that clear.
Okay.
I used to learn from the books that we have studied, even my social studies books, social studies books, science books.
True.
The phrases are given there, we read them a lot.
True.
But we aren't trying to accept that.
True.
When I was preparing for the test in cadet colleges, that was my 7th to 8th class.
Okay.
So
cadet college, you're talking about color car.
Sir, preparation was done for all the colleges.
Okay.
I went to cadet college.
Oh, but which area now? Which institution did you prepare for now?
Sir,
that
it was
admission?
Professor Inam Ilai.
Oh, Sir Inam Ilai. What a man he is.
Sir, nice.
What a man he is. I love you. Salute you, sir. When I was in grade 6 over here in Government Technical Model School, Jauharabad, and brother Inam Ilai, he was in grade 9. And Inam's younger brother, Mr. Ikram, he was my class fellow. We were classmates, and Inam was in grade. And nowadays he's working over there in Islamabad, as a lecturer, as a professor in English. Very talented. He's a great asset of this area. And he produced number of students, and who are rendering great services, to the whole nation, and even abroad.
Yes, sir, sure.
Yeah.
At that point, it was almost the day of Friday. Every Friday he used to make a group of students, all of them, and ask them. There will be in the evening there will be a speech competition of you. Yeah. Just to boost your confidence. Yeah. And even that time, as every institute has that past perfect, that ta hai, ti hai.
Yeah, true.
I was totally against that thing, and I didn't even learn that thing.
True.
I got irritated from that thing each and every time. Although my sentences were correct all the time.
True.
But if as in our institutes that the past perfect has the symbol of ta hai, ti hai, they were always wrong.
True.
I always attempted them wrong. I don't know why them.
True.
But I just looking at sentence, I know how the sentence.
So you are talking about that whatever the conventional teaching, English teaching method is there. So you are against that.
Yes, I'm totally against
because it doesn't make any sense.
Yes,
True.
Every person says that. Even students that even go in our SILAH institute. Yeah. They say that the proper way of teaching is that the past perfect is going to the ta at the end.
Because.
And I don't get their point totally at all. From the very first day of my studies. I don't even get that thing. That what is going on there.
True, excellent.
So
true.
I have also got some classes from Professor Naim Sidhu sir.
He's also very talented man. I love him.
Yes,
I love him. He's a great scholar.
Yes,
He has done that service in different departments. He's a great journalist. As a professor. That even that as a banker and so on. He's running his business. Mashallah.
Yes, mashallah.
He's a political worker as well. He's a great. He's a sense of politics. Mashallah, great.
Yes, he's also a sports person.
Sports. Yeah.
So I must say I'm very lucky in that aspect. Then the teachers that I get from the very first day of my school.
True.
They are very, I must say, not even about studies.
True.
They always focus on the social living of the students of their. Each and every teacher of mine that I get.
If I wind up the talk, so that initial study you mean, that whatever the basic grammar is there, which is taught over there in a school, especially at school level, generally you might have observed.
And this is my firm opinion that our education system discourages conceptual involvement.
That even the students, they are graduate, but their basic structure of language is very poor. See, and hard work.
Yes.
You use the term hard work. What do you mean by that?
Sir, in this preparation of IELTS, hard work I mean practice. You have been given the concept that you have to follow in the test. At that time, hard work just means practice of that thing. if I talk about myself, when I went about as I say that writing passage was good as a plus point for me.
True.
I must say that the hard work that I gave to that, although I'm never convinced with the hard work, neither I should be with the hard work, but I must say that I spent a lot of time at writing passage.
Yeah, you even that when you joined me, that second time, just for, I think with the intention to get your writing task assessed.
Yes.
I think I noticed that you were very regular. That even you were doing that more than one task.
Yes.
That extra work you were carrying out, and which paid you back
Yes.
as a result as well. See. Role of institution, that for IELTS, for the preparation of IELTS, that what is the role of some institution? How is this institution important? I mean, any institution.
Yes. Sir, guideline is the very important thing.
Yeah.
Achieving the very goal. If a person says that I can achieve everything just by reading a book, or even a book that I have remembered all of the pages of that book,
okay,
and everything is going to come from that book, I even can't pass that exam.
Okay.
Not just good marks, but not only pass that exam.
Yeah.
It's just because I don't know how to attempt that paper.
True.
Or the test exam.
Yeah.
So institute has to play that important role.
True.
The other thing that I say, the method of teaching at IELTS, I don't know whether it's a question next or not.
Okay.
But I must mix them together. The teaching at that in the institute that I studied, SILAH.
Okay.
We didn't have any books, any of the books.
Nothing is that suggested to consult as far as books are concerned.
Yes.
Yeah.
I have seen many institutes even in Jauharabad.
Yeah.
Now we have prospered a lot in terms of that institute.
True.
There are many institutes even in the road in front of us.
Yeah.
There is a big board of preparation of IELTS exam, study in UK and such kind of things.
True.
None of the institute is giving study on conceptual basis.
Yeah.
Each and every one has there is certain fee of that test exam preparation.
True.
And there's another fee that you have to pay for the notes.
Yeah.
You would give there a bundle of notes there.
Yeah.
And
true.
I must say that if I have studied just little of them.
Yeah.
And that is also on the internet that I have by myself.
True.
If I had studied that all of those notes, I've also got the 7 bands. I'm sure not more than that.
True.
I would have scored 7 bands, not more than that.
True.
So I've came here, even my concepts are clear. And I must say that even a better human being, most important thing. There's nothing to say about the face, but
do pray for all of us, please.
Sure. God bless you, sir.
So you mean to say that role of institute is very important, because that's a platform where that you groom your personality, that where you get so many ideas, and so on. See, and other things. You said that experienced teacher. What do you mean by experienced teacher?
Sir, by experience, I mean if there is a teacher, I must say I have running an institute, institute here.
Yeah.
As you are also running an institute. You have students from matric level to MPhil and even PhD level and even further than that.
True.
Your schedule is very tight.
True.
If you say that I have another room in my home and I hire a graduate from English, or even being he has scored 7 bands.
True.
He can teach the students.
Yeah.
I go to that place and I start teaching the students of the 10th grade.
Great.
That they are low level students. I can teach them and have more education than them.
Okay.
But I don't have experience.
True.
Like by experience, I don't mean that although I would be a good teacher, I would deliver their concepts.
True.
But the other things that you teach, the method of living and the things that how they are related to the concept that are delivering there, how they are related to daily life.
True.
I won't be able to deliver it to them.
True.
That's the thing that experience matters a lot.
Excellent.
I must say, if I am at a place I am teaching a student, at a place you are teaching student, any other teacher who is running an institute of IELTS, he is teaching the students.
True.
He would teach in another way.
True.
And then if I am studying there,
True.
I will teach them another way that will not be a more beneficial way now.
True.
Experience in a sense that each and every teacher is respectable. I'm not saying that teacher is not good at.
True.
But the experience that the way of teaching. By experience I mean the way of teaching.
Yeah.
Experience may come, teacher is teaching for 10 years, but his method of delivering students are not picking that.
Yeah.
The experience I mean the method of delivering that.
True, excellent.
That's the important thing.
Which actually the way which satisfies that the needs of every student. Everywhere every student gets whatever he or she wants. Excellent. So then there
are some quick questions which shall help you in your IELTS test preparation. Let's ask Mr. Hassan. Dear Hassan, you know that booking the IELTS test is considered to be the toughest task in our area. And some IT experts at their net cafes are exploiting this misconception of the IELTS aspirants by overcharging them.
Do you think that this booking, that booking the test, should we visit some shop, should we visit some cafe, or you're convinced that this thing can be done that on our own?
Not at all.
Not at all.
Not at all. If a person has prepared for IELTS from any of the institute, if he considers himself that I am ready or prepared for the test, then it's just a piece of cake for that person to get registered. You should never go there. The second thing is that when they will get registered, they will give their own email address at that point. Whatever notification will come to you, they will deliver to British Council. They will go to that person. And he won't care to deliver to you at that point. He is not a relative or any close person to you. He will come to him and just place there. You don't know about that. As I must say about myself, it was my the remaining 3 parts, the reading and writing and listening test. It was planned at another place. When I was given the date. Just before, 1 day before the test, it was changed. Email came to me now. Now, if I had given email to that person and the person at that cafe now,
it would have created a lot of problem
for me. I wouldn't have reached at that time.
Due to know that you can say that no intimation. Excellent. True. See, another thing which the people know that get worried over here, I'm talking about my area now, that fee deposit. It's a great issue over here. So you told me the story now that it is very easy. If you have that your banking app is there and even nowadays what I am doing what I have started doing so many things that the person doesn't have any that bank account, no banking app, etc.
Book your test at aeo.com.pk. After that, contact the office and request the call recipient to generate your fee voucher.
Receive it, get its print, and deposit your fee.
Sir, I just forgot it. I had also called that one. So they advised me a process, and I must say it was more lengthy than that. What I have done through banking app. Banking app is much more easier than the way they guide you. It will say the fee was generated, and you will give details at that point, and it will lengthy call, and you may get it or not get it. Even myself, I had called them twice. To get the concept. Even at that time, I was not convinced.
So this is, please listen to the man. That this using app, if you have that bank account, that and you are using, and we should use because we live in the 21st century. That banking app, that use it, log into it, and you will be able to make the payment within no minute.
Very secure, sir.
Very secure. Excellent. See.
You change the date of your speaking test by logging into your account.
Is it a lengthy process? Does it take much time? Or what are the formalities which the candidate is required to make? Or very simple?
So I must say, if a candidate is following each and every step very slowly and clearly, it will hardly take 10 minutes.
True. Excellent.
If I am giving too much time, it will take 10 minutes.
If
a person is just reading and clicking on it will just take 5 minutes. They will give you dates after getting registered. And there will be option of change date, but it will be small in size at the bottom. You have to just look at it cleanly. If you are not satisfied with the dates, just try to keep the dates together. There's no point in keeping it for the. I must say, I will prepare for rest of the exams in just 5 days. A person has prepared already for the exam for 40 days. How much will you prepare in just 5 days? You will have to keep yourself away from home and follow a journey and go to that place and coming back. You will get tired. Just try to keep the test together. I must say the gap of 1 day, sure, I must say it's necessary. But 1 day is nothing. As compared to 5 days or 6 days, you have to go there and come back. Some students don't have the facility of the relatives giving that place. They have to live in the hotel. So if you go there twice, you have to pay the rent of 2 nights. Extra.
Excellent. Even it will be having a problem.